To free up storage on POCO X7 Pro, you can use the cleaner that is built into the device. You may be able to find the app itself in the home screen, so you can open it in order to run the cleaner. Then you have the summary. You can see, for instance, that the cache files, they take some amount of megabytes or even gigabytes in some cases, of course, and some other file types as well, or even the memory. And then you can simply tap clean up in order to clean and free up the storage. If you cannot see the cleaner, you can go to the security. You should be able to find it, for instance, in the app drawer. And then over here you should be able to find the cleaner over here, and then you can do the same thing. And that's pretty much it. And if you need to see some detailed information about your storage, you can go to the settings, then choose about phone, and then over here you can tap on storage, and there we go. Here you can also jump to the cleaner as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!